Hello everyone, Brian Silver again. I was meaning to do an unboxing of this on Friday, but I had to show my mom it before I did it, so sorry about that. What I got in the mail on Friday was an Indiegogo funded project I got about a couple months ago. I should have checked to see how long ago, but I think it was during late summer, around that time, but I finally got it, and I'm also gonna do a shout out afterwards. So what I got in the mail is the Game Chasers Season 2 DVD Limited Edition set. The complete epic second season. It has Billy, Jay, and Dodongo and Melba autographs. And I would like to give a shout out to the Game Chasers, especially Billy. I really want to say thank you for all the hard work and everything you did and helping me to get this, because I'm in a bit of a problem nowadays, and I don't know when it's gonna happen, but when it does, I was expecting it to happen this month, but it didn't because other stuff happened, so potentially sometime next year it's gonna happen. So I would like to say thank you to Billy and Jay for all their hard work. I really appreciate it. So, and I'm sorry I bugged you guys, but I was really thinking that it was gonna happen sooner than later. But other stuff happened, and unforeseen problems, so I really didn't know it was gonna happen. So I really appreciate it. So here's what you get in the Season 2 DVD Limited Edition. Of course, there's the bonus disc, obviously, and here's the main season box with include the disc 1 includes episodes 11 through 18, DVD credit, DVD information, Cheetah Man outtakes. I remember hearing about the Cheetah Man game from the Angry Video Game Nerd. Man, was that a bad game. Though I wasn't raised in the NES days, but I could tell it was bad. And it also includes The Battle Begins. Disc 2 includes episodes 19 through 22. Season 2 documentary, Halloween cartoon, and documentary outtakes and discs. 3 is season 2 outtake reel. 1 year birthday special. The Dongo. 10 interviews, mini episodes, random videos, and final battle. So here's season, the discs 1, 2, and 3. They look really cool. They have old school feel. I guess from what I heard, Contra, they based it off of Contra, but I wouldn't know because I never played Contra. So, and here's the back. It has every episode in season 2 plus with some new footage. Over 45 minutes of outtake, 45-minute making of documentary, exclusive mini episode, audio commentary, exclusive interviews, Easter eggs, interactive menus with a game, the Dodongo Den, as I said before, the Halloween cartoon, as I said before, and much, much more. Like with the season 1 DVD, it's reason free for those living in the UK, all over the world. And here's the bonus disc. I said in YouTube comments, Jay doesn't have much taste in baseball teams, but I used to be into the Cubs, but that was before they lost the playoffs that 1 year, I think in 2003, so that what made me lose interest with them. What? And this disc includes, that's the way game playing goes. Looking back at things not bought, fan parodies, active enterprises documents, more outtakes, the Dongo watches the Halloween cartoon, a quiz with an exclusive video, and more stuff. I'm not gonna say what it really is, but anyone who bought this particular set, you will know. And here's the disc, and it also came with a map. I mean, I'm gonna say this right now, but I'm a huge fan of maps. When I was in school, during my free time, I used to read them. It's fun. And everyone who was looking at me saying, "Brian, why are you reading maps? You know, that's school stuff." And I said, "No, it isn't. To me, that's fun. That's my favorite thing to do." So, it has places where they went. It has that Zelda feel, that RPG also feel. It looked like mainly Zelda. It's cute. Good work, Billy and Jay and the Game Chasers. Everyone who pitched in, good work. I can't wait to begin watching it either sometime tomorrow. I wasn't going to begin watching it until I made an unboxing of it. And that's about it. I would like to give a huge shout out to Billy and Jay for helping me. Even though it didn't happen, but that's what happens in this kind of situation. This year was really bad, and both me and my mom got sick. I'm usually never sick, but I'm usually healthy, but this year was a record. But I guess it's because of that polar vortex we had earlier this year. And by the looks of things, we won't be getting it this year. So, hallelujah! That polar vortex was a nuisance to me. So, I can give you a couple updates. I ordered stuff from Amazon recently on Christmas. A part of the Christmas gifts I got, and with one huge sweep, I got all 4 seasons of My Little Pony. Friendship is Magic. So I'll be doing an unboxing of those. They might be individual. I do not know. They're most likely gonna be individual. And I'm really excited about them because I really like this show because it reminds me of so much of 90s cartoons and stuff. Its humor is like from the 90s, so I wish I hadn't judged it. Nowadays, that's really a pet peeve of mine. So, I can say my New Year's resolution right now because I'm pretty sure this DVD won't come by New Year's Eve. It's gonna be my New Year's resolution. It's gonna be trying to stop judging cartoons or animes before I watch them. I judged every single show I saw before I watched it and gave it a try. Even Pokemon, I did it too, but I got into it early enough that I didn't need to get season sets or watch reruns. So, as this isn't the case with this situation where I'm having, I had to get all 4 seasons in one fall swoop to catch up. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to stop judging cartoons before I watch them. So, I hope all you had a nice Christmas, and I hope you have a safe and happy New Year, and hope you have made lots of New Year's resolutions. and still expect the Sailor Moon Season 1 Part 2 to come sometime in, I estimate, late January, early February. I'll be making a call to write stuff tomorrow, or in this case today. So, to see if with this set will be a big release again, and should I expect it to come early? So, I hope you had a nice day. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day, and bye.